talking about the good relation existing between Japan and Togo, uh, I'd like to talk about the recent official visit which was made by President Paul Esosna Yasingbe to Japan. And this is also one important issue when you talk about the bilateral relation between countries. When you have a very good relation, of course, it's very easy to move to a friend country. And this visit, President Ford paid just last year in June 2011, just 3 months after the great earthquake in Togo. And the main purpose of this visit was to show his solidarity, the Togolese people solidarity to Japanese people. That is why he came to Japan, because usually, you know, as we said, when it came to the good relation, not only between countries, but also between friends, the good relation or solidarity have to be shown not only during when it came to happiest time, but also when it came to the difficult time. So we said we are a very good partner. Japan is very good partner for Togo. When Togo, it came maybe some difficult time of Togo, Japan is already ready to help Togo, and that's why also when it came, this difficult time happened in Japan, it was very important for us, it was very important for the president to pay this visit to Japan, and he came in June. He visited the victims of earthquake and tsunami in Saitama to show his solidarity and the people of Togo solidarity. And he paid also a visit to Sendai. I think I will show you later the photo. He had a meeting with the emperor, of course, talking during this meeting, they talked a lot about the good relation existing between Togo and Japan. He had a meeting with Mrs. Sadako Ogata also, who used to be the former president of JICA. She just retired from JICA in April of this year. And this was a visit to Saitama, and as you can see on this chart, this was to express how we feel after this earthquake, and this is what this chart also had been gave to the victims in the way to support them. These photos show the President Ford in Saitama, because he wanted to go to Saitama to see by himself how difficult, how the damage was in this sector. So this is, this you see the former Minister of Foreign Affairs of Japan, and this is the current former the current Minister of Foreign Affairs of Togo. In that time also, you know, especially due to the long crisis Togo had, there was also a very big debt we had regarding Japan. And during this visit, the Japanese government, due to the good relation we have with Japan and Togo have, so the Japanese government decided to cancel all the debt we had. So this photo shows the agreement signing when they were signing the both Minister of Foreign Affairs and the Minister of Japan, the former Minister of Foreign Affairs of Japan and the current Minister of Foreign Affairs of Togo. This was also very important for us because of this, it helped us to continue in our way for the development of our country. So this is just a brief presentation about the bilateral relation between Togo and Japan. You know, when you look especially the bilateral relation between two countries is very big subject, but I just resume the bilateral relation because I'm sure that you have many questions that I can focus on your question to give you a good response about which kind of interest you have regarding the bilateral relation between Togo and Japan. So that is why I made my presentation very short, then we can have more time to discuss directly regarding the bilateral relation between Togo and Japan. Thank you very much.
Mr. Bojana, thank you very much for your presentation. So, 質疑応答をしたいと思います。できれば英語で、日本語の方もフランス語の方も、どうぞ。今スピーチが終わったところでこれから質疑応答に入りたいと思うんですけれども、皆さん何かあればぜひお願いします。お願いします。そちらにマイクがあると思いますので、電源が入ってるかわからないですけども。お願いします。
Merci beaucoup pour la présentation. Soyez le bienvenu. Je voudrais poser une question pour le Japon et le Togo. Je pose des questions en France parce que mon professeur m'a demandé de faire. Quelles difficultés y a-t-il, quelles difficultés principales y a-t-il au Togo, s'il vous plaît? トゴの抱える主な問題点について質問しました。
Merci beaucoup, Kawaki-san.
We have plenty of time.
Je devrais répondre en français ou en anglais.
English, please. And
You want to translate?
Je sais pas si je peux.
Mike, sorry.
Ok, la question était de connaître la principale difficulté aujourd'hui au Togo.
質問は、トゴの主要な問題はどのようなものですかということでよろしいですか。
Je dirais que dans un premier temps, la plus grande difficulté du Togo, je dirais que nous l'avons traversée. Et cette principale difficulté, c'était la rupture de la coopération internationale.
トゴの一番の問題というのは、国際関係が、断絶されていたことだと思います。
Mais, comme je le dis, cela dénote du passé. Donc, cela ne veut pas dire que tout va bien au Togo.
でも今は先ほど言ったように関係は回復されていたので大丈夫です。
Nous avons toujours plusieurs efforts à faire et dans de nombreux domaines.
私たちはさまざまな分野で努力をしています。
Mais aujourd'hui, et comme cela relève principalement de la toute première préoccupation du président de la République, le principal objectif aujourd'hui, c'est de pouvoir unir les Togolais entre eux-mêmes.
今、トーゴの大統領が最も達成しようとしていることというのは、トーゴの国民を一つにまとめようとすることです。
Cela ne veut pas dire qu'au Togo, les populations sont en train de se faire la guerre. Mais nous retenons que pour pouvoir avancer, pour évoluer vers le développement, nous avons forcément besoin de nous unir tous autour des mêmes objectifs.
私たちが、国をより発展させていくためには、国民がみんな同じ目的に向かって協力していかなければなりません。
C'est le travail qui est en train de se faire actuellement et qui réussit et que nous continuons toujours par faire.
それが、私たちがしてきたことで、それは成功していますし、これからも続けていくことです。
J'espère avoir répondu à votre question.